Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about history of Cardano. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. What is Cardano ADA? Cardano is a third-generation decentralized proof-of-stake (POS) blockchain platform that aims to outperform proof-of-work (POW) networks. The infrastructure load of rising expenses, energy utilization, and lengthy transaction times limit scalability, interoperability, and sustainability for POW networks like Ethereum. The relevance of these issues to blockchain networks was recognized by Charles Hoskinson, co-founder of the proof-of-work (POW) blockchain Ethereum, who began creating Cardano and its principal cryptocurrency, ADA, in 2015 and launched the platform and the ADA token in 2017. The Cardano platform runs on the Ouroboros consensus protocol. Ouroboros, created by Cardano in its foundation phase, is the first POS protocol that not only was proved to be secure, but also was the first to be informed by scholarly academic research. Each development phase, or era, in the Cardano roadmap is anchored by the research-based framework, incorporating peer-reviewed insights with evidence-based methods to make progress toward and achieve the milestones related to the future directions of the use applications of both the blockchain network and the ADA token. As of June 20, 2021, 71.59% of Cardano's cryptocurrency ASA is staked in 2,626 active pools with a value of approximately $31.4 billion. About Cardano. Cardano was started in 2015 by Charles Hoskinson, a co-founder of Ethereum, and it was introduced in 2017. Cardano has positioned itself as a cryptocurrency that can be used instead of Ethereum. Both platforms are used for comparable applications, such as smart contracts, and have the same goal of creating a decentralized and connected system. Cardano sees itself as a more advanced version of Ethereum, claiming third-generation credentials above Ethereum's second-generation credentials. The blockchain platform also aims to provide banking services to the unbanked around the world. Cardano's main applications are in identity management and traceability. The former application can be used to streamline and simplify processes that require the collection of data from multiple sources. The latter application can be used to track and audit a product's manufacturing processes from provenance to finished goods and potentially eliminate the market for counterfeit goods. Cardano's partners, the Cardano Foundation, IOHK, and Emergo, share responsibility for the evolution of the Cardano protocol ecosystem, which is decentralized. The Cardano Foundation, a non-profit corporation, is the legal custodian of the Cardano brand and is responsible for its primary governance and control. The foundation raises the protocol's awareness on a worldwide scale, develops use case opportunities, and connects policymakers, regulators, and academia. IOHK is the software engineering and technology company responsible for building Cardano, with a research arm dedicated to promoting blockchain education. IOHK works closely with academic partners to not only further its education mission, but also improve the long-term scalability of the Cardano protocol by using the most recent peer-reviewed scientific research to inform platform updates before implementation. Emergo is the global technology partner responsible for driving the commercial adoption of the Cardano protocol, integrating businesses across a wide range of sectors into their blockchain system. Cardano development phases. Cardano is being developed in 5 stages to achieve its objective of being a decentralized application development platform with a multi-asset ledger and verified smart contracts. Each of the 5 phases is referred to as an era and is named after a significant historical figure. The 5 eras or phases are as follows: Foundation, Byron era; Decentralization, Shelley era; Smart contracts, Gauguin era; Scaling, Basho era; Governance, Voltaire era. Cardano requirements. The algorithm used to build blocks and validate transactions is at the heart of any blockchain network. Cardano mines blocks with Ouroboros, an algorithm that employs the proof-of-stake (POS) protocol. The protocol is meant to use as little energy as possible during the block generation process. It accomplishes this by obviating the requirement for hash power, or huge computational resources, which are essential to the operation of Bitcoin's proof-of-work (POW) algorithm. Staking determines a node's ability to construct blocks in Cardano's POS system. The stake of a node is equivalent to the amount of ADA, Cardano's cryptocurrency, it holds over time. Here are some fun facts about Cardano. 1. Cardano's token is named after the world's first computer programmer. Cardano's creators have a love of names. Each step of the platform's development roadmap is named after a famous poet, writer, or computer scientist. ADA, Cardano's native token, takes its name from Ada Lovelace, daughter of Lord Byron and a 19th-century mathematician. Many believe Lovelace's thinking laid the foundations for modern-day computing. 2. It uses a fraction of the energy of Ethereum or Bitcoin. The energy usage of Bitcoin and Ethereum, ETH, has been in the spotlight recently following Elon Musk's announcement that Tesla would cease Bitcoin purchases due to environmental concerns. Each year, Bitcoin consumes almost the same amount of energy as the Netherlands. Although Ethereum's usage is less than half that of Bitcoin, it is nevertheless the size of a tiny country like Portugal. Cardano is an eco-friendly crypto, which consumes about the same amount of energy as 600 US homes each year. Ethereum does have an upgrade in the works which would cut its consumption by 99.95%. But Cardano's green credentials have been baked in from the start. 3. Cardano is working with governments in Africa. There are numerous ways that blockchain could have an impact on people's lives. Solving real-world problems, such as economic accessibility, was one of Cardano's basic ideals. For some years, it has had a team located in Ethiopia, traveling and developing contacts with governments and ministries all over the continent. Its most recent flagship transaction with Ethiopia's Ministry of Education is the company's largest project to date. The Cardano platform is being used to create digital IDs for 5 million schoolchildren as part of this collaboration. It will provide each student with a permanent, secure, and tamper-proof academic record. That ID will aid them in proving their academic credentials as they enter the workforce or college. 4. Cardano and its many-headed Hydra. It's difficult to talk about crypto without getting technical very quickly. Cardano uses a layered blockchain to track transactions and store information. Blockchain ledgers are like very sophisticated databases built using interconnected blocks. Cardano's layers mean it's able to process transactions faster than many other cryptocurrencies. In fact, it will be faster than Visa's processing capabilities of 65,000 transactions per second (TPS). On top of the existing blockchain, Cardano features a second layer called Hydra. It's similar to the grocery store's express checkout. The standard blockchain is for customers who want to do a big monthly shop, whereas Hydra is for short shops of 10 products or less. Each express checkout counter is similar to a Hydra head, which is a processing pool. Each head is capable of processing 1,000 TPS. As a result, 1,000 Hydra heads could process 1 million TPS. When you turn off one head, it doesn't sprout two more, unlike the fabled monster. Each person that joins the network, however, will generate 10 heads. As a result, the greater the number of individuals using the network, the more processing power it has. 5. Cardano has been in the top 10 cryptos since it launched. Cardano was founded by Charles Hoskinson, who also co-founded Ethereum, but left after a disagreement on how it should be run. From the outset, Hoskinson, who is something of a crypto superstar, was determined to do things differently. Each step of the platform's development has been peer-reviewed, as the experts built this new blockchain from scratch. That's why ADA has been in the top 10 coins by market capitalization since it launched in 2015. Is Cardano a good investment? Before you log on to your cryptocurrency exchange and spend all your money on Cardano, bear in mind that it still has a long way to go. Smart contracts are self-executing codes that allow users to define payment conditions. For example, if you send me a copy of your ebook, I'll pay you 5 ADA. They are at the heart of many blockchain applications, which is why Ethereum's network is already used by over 2,800 applications. That accounts for almost 80% of the app market, according to State of the dApps. All cryptocurrencies are in their infancy, and it can be difficult for investors to distinguish hype from reality. Cardano took a cautious approach, which means it has a strong foundation, but missed out on the first mover advantage. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go and also press the bell icon so that you can get notification about our new videos. If it was helpful, then share it with others. Thanks for watching the video.